Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2011 Mercedes Benz G Wagon. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on like so, and then from any screen you can either use the arrows here to navigate to the top menu and then across the telephone, or just click the telephone button there. But we want telephone down here, so arrow down till telephone's highlighted, click OK. I think that's actually picking up somebody else's phone on the car park, but you want Bluetooth telephones there. Click OK, and then it brings up a list of everybody's phone connected, but we want update at the top, and it's not always immediately obvious, so it's searching for a maximum of 10 Bluetooth telephones. So it's brought my phone up at the bottom. So navigate down. It's the same pairing, unsuccessful there, but that was the other phone on the car park. Click OK. Now I have to enter a code, which for ease of use I'll just put 4 noughts in, and then we have to use the right arrow to click across to OK. Click OK. Authorizing Barry's iPhone. Again, 00000. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. That's it paired to the mobile there, and that's it. Mercedes Benz Bluetooth connected. The more iPhone's iOS system gets updated, the longer it seems to take to pair older vehicles, but that's it done.